Are you seeking for a means to keep your audience up to date on the newest industry news? Perhaps you want to write informative local news stories on everything that's occurring on right now. Maybe you're a blogger seeking for a new project to work on. If any of the above resonates with you, starting a news website could be the next step in your career. You could create a social networking profile, but it won't build the same level of trust in your viewers as a website would. You need a professional looking, high performing website to become a go to source for trustworthy news content. It's possible that you don't yet have the ability to construct an online news site. However, getting started is quick and easy, and it doesn't have to cost a fortune. As a result, we're going to show you how to make a news website in only 8 simple steps. But first, here are 5 things to think about before you get started. 1. Make a strategy. Your content generation strategy will be determined by the type of news you're covering. You must know exactly what specialization or area will be the emphasis of your website. In addition, you need to become acquainted with your target audience. Consider how your material might fit in with the many media outlets customers already use to acquire their news. You're unlikely to be competing directly with the New York Times as a new website owner, but that doesn't mean your work doesn't deserve a spot in your readers' news feeds. Small news blogging sites can bring stories to light that larger, more established news outlets might overlook. You'll be better positioned to build a news content plan that engages your readers if you keep these things in mind. 2. Select a platform. If you've never built a website before, the sheer number of possibilities can be overwhelming. If you choose WordPress as your site's content management system, you'll be in good company. WordPress is used by over 40% of self-hosted websites. WordPress is used to power a wide range of websites. It's not only cheap, but it's also simple to use, so anyone can be up and running with just a few simple steps. To begin, think about what sorts of features you want your site to offer. Embedded video, ticker tape, RSS feeds in the sidebar. WordPress gives you complete control over how complex or simple your breaking news site is. Don't worry if you don't know how to code. A simple WordPress template is used by the majority of successful online news outlets. The drag and drop web page editor built into WordPress.com allows you to adjust this as needed. Here are a few more reasons why WordPress is worth considering for your news website. Being one of the most adaptive and flexible website builders on the market, adding media and text content to your web pages is simple. WordPress displays your most recent posts at the top of your homepage by default, which is perfect for news sites. It's free to get started if you're utilizing a WordPress.com subdomain. WordPress is extremely adaptable. It's how readers will recognize your website, whether you're utilizing a free WordPress.com subdomain or purchasing your own custom domain name. So make it distinctive and relevant. You could even utilize the .news top-level domain. 3. Decide on the core functions of your website. We're talking about what your website can accomplish and how it works when we say functionalities. This encompasses everything from the theme you've chosen to the plugins you've installed. All of these characteristics have a significant impact on the appearance of your site and how users interact with it. In essence, the functionality of your website defines the quality of your user experience. Because website functioning is a bit of a catch